Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to split screen in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Filmora application. And after doing that guys, all you need to do is go and open the actual program. Now, when you did that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have all of your files, edit, tools, view, export and help. And here we have the media, audio, titles, transition. We have the effects, elements, and the split screen. Now, what we actually need to do is see how you can actually go and do this. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go here, and when you have a video, you can go and drag the video on here, or you can go and check it out like this, go to any audio or video, and you can go and drag it, as you can see, like this to the actual platform. So audio or video, it's not important for the sake. And now you just need to go and click on the split screen option, which is, as you can see, the seventh option out of all of these. When you're there, you just need to click split screen, whichever you want. So basically you have some here. So you have this model, this, and you have a lot of options that you can go and choose from, as you can see. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guide really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.